All right, so today we're gonna unbox this 164 scale 1966 Chevy Impala SS. Now, y'all might think, well, so what, crazy? It's just a little Hot Wheels type car, right? And to most people, maybe it is, but I really like these things. They're worth money, and I collect them and I sell them. You know, I customize them. Like here, I'll give you an example, right? Here's the same car, customized, right? And you see, it's got the red calipers with the slotted disc brakes. And when the wheel spins, everything stays in place. So, you know, these are actually highly detailed, some of them. So what I do is I buy these for anywhere from, you know, 10, 15, 20, 30, 40 bucks. And that's like at the most, right? That's for like super rare ones, right? Like for like a 1959 like this, I'll pay 40 or 50 bucks. Now, there's no more of these for sale because I bought the only two. So I'll ask whatever I want for it. So this one, I think I'm selling it for like, I don't know, I think it was like 150 or something, or like 199, just taxing, but nobody else got this. So you got to pay that price if you just happen to want that 1959 164 scale with the hydraulic setup in the trunk. And this is a Revell. This is actually a Revell, but I put the custom rims on it, man. So that's why I want 4 times as much as I paid for it. You can call me an asshole or whatever, but I donate all the money to kids with cancer. So you can kiss my ass if you think I charge too much. So yeah, we're gonna unbox the 1966. They actually don't make a good 69. And what makes this thing special, you guys, is that black top. Now you can get these all, I could care less about the rims, but I guess somebody might think those are cool, but those are getting snatched off, thrown in the trash. I'm gonna put, on this one, you guys, I'm gonna put the 13 sevens with the black centers, chrome lip, black center, chrome knockoff. I'll put a picture of what it's gonna look like in the thumbnail, so you guys can kind of get an idea of it. But I've never seen this color, so this one's gonna go for an astronomical price also once I customize it, unfortunately. But yeah, that's lit right there. That 1966 blue with the black top. You know, I've never seen this before. Extremely rare, to be honest with you. But it'll go from something like that to looking something like that. But I'm going with the, we gonna make this one into a lowrider. But yeah, so we done did it together, y'all. And you can go check out my other channel where I sell these cars. I'll also put a link to my eBay store where I sell these things also, man, if you guys are interested. So you'll be surprised at all the different cars that I got. And put it like this, if there's a car out there and it's dope and they make it, I got it, you know, for the most part. So yeah, you guys, I'm done. All right, I'm out.